Hey there, future marketing moguls. Are you tired of juggling a million tasks just to keep your business afloat? Meet Grawt, the all-in-one lead generation and marketing automation platform that's about to become your new best friend forever. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur hustling from your kitchen table or part of a big team trying to make sense of the marketing chaos, Grawt is here to save the day. Why Grawt rocks? Number 1. Lead generation made easy. Say goodbye to the days of hunting for leads like they're Pokemon. Grawt helps you attract potential customers effortlessly. You'll feel like a marketing wizard casting spells to pull in leads left and right. Number 2. Marketing automation magic. Remember when you thought automating your marketing was just a dream? Well, wake up, because Grawt turns that dream into reality. Imagine scheduling posts, sending emails, and tracking analytics, all with a few clicks. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a coffee break. Number 3. User-friendly interface. Let's face it, not everyone has a PhD in tech. Grawt is designed for everyday heroes like you. Its simple interface makes navigating through features easier than finding the latest cat video on the internet. So why wait? Dive into the world of Grawt and watch your marketing efforts soar. Whether you're looking to build a brand, grow your audience, or just figure out what the heck SEO means, Grawt has got your back. Ready to take the plunge? Drop a comment below and let us know what marketing challenges you're facing. We're all in this together.